How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today is another just really quick install. It's going to be a little two-parter of changing up the front look, the front end of my G35 Coupe. And the first thing we'll be doing is adding this new emblemless gloss black grille. Now, what I'm rocking right now is just a stock OEM grill that has like 6-7 year old plasti dip. Now, not gonna lie, I'm really impressed with the plasti dip. It actually has held up this whole time. I mean, you definitely can tell it's, you know, there's chips in it. It's peeling away. Definitely over here is the worst. Slowly peeling away. But, I mean, overall, for like one of the first things I did to my car to kind of change the look, I was happy with it. I mean, when I first did it, it looked, you know, really well with the infiniti emblem popping out. Looked really good. And I am impressed with the plasti dip. However, now that I have, you know, a gloss black roof spoiler, gloss black side mirrors, I needed something, you know, on the front to match, and this is like a flat satin black. So I bought a gloss black grille. So we're gonna install this right now. It's super easy, very easy install to do this. All you have to do is pop out these 4 little clips. As you can see, I only have 2 on, so it makes it that much easier. But yeah, you pop these out, then there's these little tabs that actually hold the grill down in there that you just kind of push down, and then you pull the grill out, and that's really it. Super easy. So we're gonna do a little before. Actually, let me close this. We'll do a little before clip and then after clip of the new look. Ooh, there it is, guys. That looks so much better. I definitely decided I wanted to keep the my little JAF emblem right there. Wanted to keep that on, and I'm really glad I did, because oh, that looks so good. God damn. Sorry guys if the car is dirty. It's been raining a lot, so I don't have time to clean it. But god damn, what a difference that makes. Yep, I'm happy. Well, hope you guys like that little quick video. This is just the first thing I'll be doing to changing up the front end look. The part that I will be doing tomorrow will require me to jack the car up. So if that gives you guys any hints, I'm pretty excited. While I'll be doing that tomorrow, I do have my exhaust leaks to fix. So while the car's up for the front end, I'm gonna get under there to replace those gaskets because the drone's killing me. It's making me go deaf. So hope you guys like that quick little video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Guys, this grill, I bought it off eBay. This thing fits amazing. All the gaps are perfect. I'm really impressed with it, actually. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.